Hello, my name is Miss Quezada, and today we will be working on a word problem by regrouping. We will be using a notebook, a base 10 block website, and markers. Also a laptop to use the website. Let's go ahead and read the problem. Nicholas baked 24 chocolate cookies for his science class and 24 for his English class. Also, he made 16 for his after-school band practice. How many cookies did Nicholas bake in total? The first thing we can do is use our strategy to underline and circle important information. What I would circle is 24 chocolate cookies. His second batch was 24 cookies, because we are talking about cookies for his English class, and 16 because that's the amount of cookies that he made for his band practice. Friends, how many cookies did Nicholas bake in total? What I would circle is the word total, because that means that we're going to add. I would also circle the word also, because that's including all these 3 two-digit numbers. Now, let's go ahead and work this problem. Nicholas baked 24 cookies, and then he decided to make 24 more, so we add it because it wants our total. And we are also going to include his friends from the band. Now, we are going to use this method by splitting and making it a 6 plus 10. We bring everything down. 24 plus 24 plus 6 plus 10. Now, what do we do next? We combine these two and see what happens. 24 plus 6 becomes 30, which is interesting. So let's bring everything down again. 30 plus 10 is 40. That's correct. And now we're going to split 24, just like we did up here. 20 plus 4. And what is 20 plus 40? 60. So we bring down our 4 plus 4, which equals 64. This method is very helpful because we break it down, as you can see. Another way we can solve this type of problem, is by writing it in a different form. 24 plus 24. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 2 plus 2 is 4. But is that all? No, that is not all, because we remembered that we have friends in the band. Nicholas has friends in the band. So we have to add 48, which is what we already had, and add the 16 students from the band. So 8 plus 6 is 14. And let's go back and set up an upside down T so that we can remember that this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So on the tens place, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. Therefore, we got the same answer. Let's try another example. With our interesting website. There it goes. So we have 24 cookies. Technical difficulty. And let's introduce, before we even start this, this is 1 unit. This is 10 units, just tens. This is the hundreds, and this is the thousands. We won't be using hundreds and thousands. We will be only using tens and 1 units because we have 2-digit numbers. So we have 24 on the first batch of cookies and 24 on the second batch of cookies. Now remember in our problem how we said that we had our band friends. 16 more. So let's grab, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is another helpful way to learn by using these helpful websites. And then what's amazing about this website is that it regroups for us. So you can see the regroup. And what's going to happen here is that these 1 units, we can count 10 of them and it will create a tens. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So how many are we going to have left? Let's see and find out. Let's regroup. Shoom! I took it to the tens place. And now we are left with 64. So if you can see, if you look at our tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're counting by tens. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then we count our 1 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. 64. And here is our total. Good job, class.